Yeah, welcome viewers and subscribers. Today we're there in the beetroot and the carrot bed, and we just there to look up some weeding. Yeah, we are weed out the little grass them little grass here in between. Yeah. So welcome to the channel viewers and subscribers. Welcome to Farming with Rasta. You know what? We're just there in our farm today. Normal duty as usual. Cause we have to keep the plants them up and looking fresh. Yeah. So we just here today to do some weeding, and we are gonna give you an update on how them look. Yeah, the viewers and the subscribers them update on how them look, how the beetroot them look and the carrot them look, and do some weeding at the same time. Yeah, so keep watching viewers and subscribers. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So right here, so we have a beetroot bed. You can check out the video on the channel, Farming with Rasta, on the channel, and you will see the video when we did plant them, and we did also give an update on how them did look within a month. So this is how the beetroot them look within 2 months. So that's 60 days. Yeah, all of this is how we did plant. We did plant out everything. So right now, this is how them looking, guys, viewers and subscribers. We have beetroot. Beetroot them just a fit up. Yeah. So them everything, all of them here right now have beetroot on them, underneath them. Yeah. So there is beetroot bearing and soon ready to harvest. Right here, so we have some little ones. You know, them never really get much water, so them come a little slower. But we have some really big ones now, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, and we have beetroot coming. Here it is. Yeah, plenty of beetroot. So we are gonna have plenty of beetroot, make plenty of beetroot juice, beetroot and carrot juice. In a moment, me I go show you the carrot them and make you see how them look. Yeah. So this is how the beetroot them look, viewers and subscribers. Plenty of beetroot coming up now. Before we did do little weeding before, you know, pick out them little grass here. And that's it what I do at the moment. But as I say, I just give the viewers them a quick update on how them look, the growth of them. And we do some weeding at the same time. Yeah. We pick out them grass here. Because if we don't pick out them grass here, them are going to take away the nutrients from the plant. Yeah, so with that plant here, them plant here, if you get, them little grass here, I take away it from them. So that's how we get to with beetroot them looking like this, guys. Very beautiful. And look healthy. Yeah, so we'll keep the beetroot bed free from grass and herbs. Yeah. Take out all of the grass then. Yeah. See, we have a lovely one here, so guys. Almost ready to harvest. So we are gonna do a harvest video, and show you make you see how we harvest beetroot. Yeah, in Jamaica. Yeah, we have a nice one there, guys. We'll cover him up back Because you know I'm not fully fit up yet. But soon ready. Soon ready for harvest. So we're going to do a video with the beetroot when we harvest them. And make you guys see. All of them. Yeah. So we just there and pick out some grass. I don't really have much grass in it now because I pick out most of them already. But them look one here. Yeah. Pick them out, viewers and subscribers. So when you know I do for little farming, you know say you can pick them out. Them not supposed to be in the beetroot bed. Yeah man. So just that with the year I do today. And we want all of the viewers them and the subscribers them see the little update and the little progress on them and how them look. Yeah. We have a long stretch of bed, get viewers and subscribers. Plenty of beetroot. Yeah, them looking nice, viewers. Some nice ones, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so all of this, we're going to harvest it in about a month. And next, we'll give them about a next month or less. And then we harvest them. So, remember to subscribe, viewers. All who no subscribers yet, remember to subscribe so you can see the harvest with this, with the beetroot. Yeah, and thanks to everybody who subscribe already. Yeah, thanks to all who are subscribe, all who subscribe and support already. Yeah, so right over here, so next to the beetroot we have the carrot. As who subscriber them did seen at the previous videos them when we did plant them. Yeah. So this is how the carrot them look now, guys. This is how the carrot them look, viewers. In about, we'll give them carrot here about 3 months more. So in a 3 to 4 months time them supposed to ready. And we also going to do a video when we harvest them. So remember to keep watching, guys. Yeah. This is how them look. I'll go over the other side. And I'll go show you. Give you a better look how them. Give you a better view of how them look. Yeah, viewers and subscribers. So this is our carrot bed. All of this right here is our carrot, viewers and subscribers. All of this right here, so we have plenty of carrots to make juice. Give away some. Sell some. I don't know. Give everybody who forget some. Yeah, so we do it, viewers and subscribers. We not really sell the carrot then, we just give them away or share it with the neighbors. So this is how them look now, viewers and subscribers. This is how the carrots them look. Perfect growth. Yeah. This is how the carrot, after you plant them, this is how, from the day you plant them, this is how them look within a month. Within 6 weeks, a month and a half. Sorry. Yeah, so this is how they will look within 6 weeks. When the land, full of nutrients. Our land is very rich, viewers and subscribers. So we get to plants them growing nice and looking very healthy. So this is how the carrot bed look, viewers and subscribers. And we also go do little weeding in this part here. So all of them grass here, viewers and subscribers, we have to pick them out. See it? Grass. We don't want them in there, viewers and subscribers. We have to pick them out. All these grass. We have to pick them out, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. Because if we don't pick them out, it is going to take away the plant nutrients, the carrot nutrients. and it are gonna take over the whole carrot bed. So we have to pick them out, guys. Pick them out and keep the look for carrot them looking fresh. Yes, and evergreen looking like this. Yeah. So remember, keep watching Farming with Rasta for more farming, more things. We are gonna plant plenty more things right now. We're gonna plant melon and we're gonna plant cassava and plenty more things. So keep watching Farming with Rasta so you can see all of this. Yeah, and we are gonna start do some more hiking videos and go, just tour the place and give a better view of how the community look. Yeah, it's a very beautiful community, guys. Yes, a very beautiful environment. So yeah, right now I go continue do the weeding, as I say. All of them grass here, we want to get them out. Yeah. So this is how the carrots look, viewers and subscribers. And with the here I do some weeding. Make sure I say the grass them, all of the grass them. We get rid of all of the grass them. Yeah, this is how the carrot look, guys. Perfect germination. You can also check out the video on our channel when we did a plant them. We do a video on how to get a perfect germination when you're planting carrot seeds. So you can check out the video, guys, on how to plant carrot seed for perfect germination, for excellent germination. So you can check out that video. And over there we have the beet. So yeah, viewers and subscribers, in the next couple weeks or 2 months, we have beetroot and carrot. So it's beets and carrot, viewers and subscribers. Beets and carrot. We have plenty more things coming. Here it is, beets and carrot, viewers and subscribers. Yeah. So this is how them look, viewers and subscribers. Right now, we're gonna go back to the weeding, and I can't really hold the camera in my hand and weed at the same time, but just did want to give a little update on how them look and so on. Yeah, get rid of them grass here. So remember to keep watching Farming with Rasta, viewers and subscribers, and as we give the updates, and just watch, keep support us, viewers and subscribers, so you can see more videos of the farm, how to plant and everything, viewers and subscribers. And of course, we're going to start doing some hiking videos, adventure videos, cooking videos, just so I don't get to see how the community look. Yeah, so that's it for this video, viewers and subscribers. Right now we are going to continue to do some weeding so we can keep the beets them and the carrot them looking fresh. So remember to keep watching, viewers and subscribers, and all those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and support. And all our subscribers, thanks to all who have subscribed already and is supporting our channel. Yeah, so that's it for today, viewers. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah, peace.